International Yoga Day. June 21 has been designated as the International Day of Yoga by the United Nations General Assembly. Yoga is a holistic practice that originated in ancient India. It encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual elements aiming to harmonize and unite the mind, body, and spirit. Yoga is not just a set of physical exercises, but a comprehensive system that promotes overall well being and self realization. At its core, yoga is a discipline that involves a combination of physical postures, asanas, breathing techniques, pranayama, meditation, and ethical principles. It is designed to cultivate balance, strength, flexibility, and awareness, while also promoting inner peace, clarity, and spiritual growth. Here's a comprehensive list combining the importance of yoga in daily life for men, women, kids, the elderly, and people of all ages. Yoga promotes physical fitness, strength, and flexibility. It enhances cardiovascular health, blood circulation, and lung capacity. It improves posture, balance, and coordination, reducing the risk of injuries. Yoga supports reproductive health and hormonal balance in women. Yoga helps to manage pregnancy related discomfort and aids in postnatal recovery. It reduces menstrual discomfort and symptoms. Yoga supports healthy weight management and promotes weight loss. It reduces the risk of osteoporosis and improves bone density. Yoga supports healthy physical growth and development in children. It enhances concentration, focus, and cognitive abilities in kids and students. Yoga reduces stress, anxiety, and anger in both men and women. It promotes mental clarity, mindfulness, and self awareness. It improves sleep quality and helps with insomnia. Yoga supports emotional well being, reduces symptoms of depression, and fosters resilience. Yoga boosts self confidence, self esteem, and body image. It enhances athletic performance and flexibility in young people. It reduces stress related to academic pressure in children and students. Yoga supports healthy aging and enhances physical abilities in the elderly. Yoga boosts energy levels and reduces fatigue. Yoga enhances respiratory function and lung capacity. It supports digestion, gut health, and overall metabolism. It promotes healthy habits, body acceptance, and positive mindset. It encourages a lifelong commitment to physical and mental well being. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.